If you take an act,
this crisis is one that is especially hard on children, not only from an economic perspective, but also from an education perspective.
But what does it even mean to be considered poor? Federal measures of poverty and the policies designed to combat the problem don't often account for factors like regional costs of living. By supporting efforts that help families get to a level of self-sufficiency, or 200% of the federal poverty level, we can avoid the unintended consequences of a Band-Aid fix.
All right, we're coming on the phone. Different kind of service, I guess.
Poverty as a whole is a giant system that